I'm going to show you how to make a version of a drink called the Azteca. This is not going to be a chilled drink, so we're simply going to start off with a small rocks glass, which looks like that. And we're going to add to that 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. And any brand of coffee liqueur will do. There are lots of brands out there, so just try them and see which one you like. Then we're going to add in 1 ounce of tequila, just like so. We're going to put in 1 ounce of creme de cacao, and this is white creme de cacao. And what I'm using here to measure out my alcohol is called a jigger. That's Jigger, and you can get this at a bar supply store or a liquor store. It's a really handy tool to have. All right, lastly, I'm going to add in just a splash of triple sec, like so. And like with a lot of your drinks, you can add more or less of any of these ingredients to adjust to your taste. Go ahead and stir that up. And there you have it, a version of the Azteca. Now, you can also do this as a shot if you like. Simply pour it into a shot glass. And there you have it. Cheers.